Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would add engine oil and check your engine oil level. So this is the dipstick, or the gauge, the measure. So you would pull it out to check your level and clean it, right? And we want to see, we've got these we've got a dot, well there's a line here and a line at the bottom and the hash marks. We want the oil to be anywhere in between there. That's the operating range. We also have a full and a low F and an L on here to tell us that. So we take it out, we clean it. Make sure you want to have your vehicle on a pretty good level surface to get the best accurate reading. And we pull it out and we see that we are within the operating range. And so, but if we were on the low side, then you would remove this cap here. This is your oil cap. Turn it left, counterclockwise, and remove the cap, and you use a funnel, or if you're really good you can just pour your oil in there. On the dipstick, if you're at the very bottom, it's generally about a quart to get it to the top, but you don't want to overfill it, because you can cause other problems down the line in your engine, especially with the catalytic converter and so forth. Once you've added your oil here, then you can screw the cap on. This says it takes a 5W20. Just screw the cap back on until it's tight. We have the click marks there. And so that was where you would add your engine oil if you need engine oil in your car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.